كمية شكر ناتات so حجي إيروبا خير الله أنا بتحجي JFK الله of New York again نشوي لنا الله. What's up guys? So I'm going to my master class in Europe. I'm starting it off over in Sweden first. So yeah, so I'll show you guys when I get to Europe. So we're about to vlog. Where are we at again? Quad Holman. We're shopping. Trying to shop. You. Kitty. Oh, look at this pretty tree.
Go?
Like
when people say kitty, like, where do you want me to go? I don't understand.
Oh, look at that tree. That's so pretty. Pretty this tree is.
This is so cute.
Ooh, so cute. So cute. Look at this tree. This tree is so beautiful. Oh my god. I just love the architecture in Europe. It's just so different than the States. Say hello. Day one. Service contract. Okay. Also, here it is. This is how my lawyer decided lawyer. So, of course, you're gonna have the date. Men the client, makeup artist let's say tag team gekken. Group and Wenta. Or Sukhan Soliana, or Miss Nardo or whoever, you will also put her name as a contract again. Okay? And then after to Rose Natkin, I wait the location, allergies. Actually uses Yahevi and Zahevi, Nahanta say the eyebrows that's hella. You gotta be creative. You know art easy. I know color stuff, how should I say makeup artist kind of thing. They don't know it's art. And I had your arty background in. Like my dad's an artist, he said he paints so that's where I get this from. Like I even paint so you have to think as an artist all the time. It's not just makeup to go out. It's a gift that God is giving you and you're making it better. Okay? Me, I just knew how to do it, I just did it. Because it's the same as painting. Again, for you guys it's probably the same thing. She says she likes it makeup. Art too, right? It's the same thing. How should I say? They don't encourage people. Encouragement they don't say that. But they don't know that you can be something great. So no, please don't listen to them. That's we have to be that. I know you guys live far away. Let's say I don't know. Right? Again, okay, some to do Allah, hey, you want to work with me too, yeah? Because you guys have to learn competition. Competition. Okay? That's why we're not becoming great. Competition. So you guys, the same thing. If you have a lot, greedy, oh, I can no, you can't do Isra. I can't even do Isra. What I do is نعاي do Allah. To do Allah نعاي. Hey, Allah ni مسرح. ما حنصل نسرح. So what percentage كده تكبر. The thing is, you have to be business minded. تقدر هناي business تحاسب لكن. So let's say يا خمش. صها percentage تقول صلا. Okay. So 40%, 60% تبيع, 40% سقط. Guess what? سات صراحة لا تركب على صدي. Guess what? so هذا صراحة حمش صار. تركب الله خناعة صار. So what we're doing, we're dying as a people. Okay? Same thing, if you have a job, call her and say, hey, let's work together. There's no problem alone. Same thing with you and you. You live in Stockholm? No. Where you live? Damn. You live in what? Damn. Eskilstuna is next to Strangest, right? I knew it! I was wondering, I know my aunt lives there, that's why. How can I say you? I saw it. You guys live closer to each other. Train Wasikin together. Hello. Make the money. You're gonna make money, even if you add her. Be business minded women. When you help each other out, you build each other up. I'm like, no. Had a generation now, so we have to change like Adam Hasab okay? I want you guys to be successful business people. This is a business goal. Regardless if you use it or wherever you go, you're going to use it as a business tactic, okay? You guys got to get better at that. Honey? So, like I said, 40% توصل 60% توصل. You're not going to be greedy. Guess what? Even Solyana to do like, hey Solyana, guess what? You're getting all the income call. So you can't be greedy, Haji. Realistic nazara. You can't. Even on it, I will call somebody, assistant Hadla. She gets paid, I get cut. We all win. That's the same thing, okay?
كيف سبات كمان صبوا جرتكم.
Yeah.
إسرع سب حدا سبتيرو ما بيدكم قلا.
Cool stuff. Everybody looks good. The person's gonna say, "Oh, winter. We have to contact them all the time." So that's why I want you guys to get better at that. The video tap. Cool the foundation. Look at how قربتها خون الله. جن أبزتها تبرها أبزي إياها تبرت الله بهايلايتها تبره not foundation. Okay. ده حاجة قلت يتسلمي لله. جن اسمع بزرت الله مكونتين. جن I rather the foundation قلت يتسلمي بل because أبزتها برهية is too much light تخينا is لتشي مسحرمة. not comes in لتشي جن flash مسحرمة تعرى ghost مثلا. ده حاجة تاخذ السد. وواي حاول أقرأ لها ميك أبه. تقول زي تدخل. Can I have to get what? You know? So you always want to make her a little bit dark. It just one's one. Okay guys, so always go up. Because I told you Tamale, the eyes are very delicate. If I spray like this and this gets wet, it's gonna start dripping. Okay? Cover and spray. Or you can get a beauty blender with a damp get setting spray. You can just dab it. And that's what I do. And then I refresh her lips, make sure her skin is refreshed. guys are finally finished this class. It was a very long class, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was long. Anyways, thank you for investing in Shukrana Bahabi Master Makeup Artist Elite Makeup Program. I hope you guys have a successful business and a successful career. Get practice still. I would definitely practice again. Always learn to go back and always evolve to go back and any questions class that you want to ask me? Sure? No, okay. Thank you. How come you to class? Today first can all have my
ዳርጋኝ ፈልጦኝ ነው ያለው ማለት ጥቂ ንብረት እንፈልጦኝና ግን ያጣማ አበይ ቦታ አንተ ተጠቀሙ ከነግን ከቤት ነው ሰላት አጠቃቀሙ ብራሽ አንተ ሀዛና
እጂ ምስከከነ ገዛኸን ታ ብራሽ ከመክ ተሕዛ you don't have to use it up how to cell phone computer ታ ብራሽ ከስከን practice this maybe you can force it can has on that brush because come together can control force okay so practice together okay everything do you guys feel confident Haji? Got the confidence I'm looking down to makeup yeah like there's nothing touch me with I can they did it I can you know record the get can yeah okay all right so let's finish this class and you know. So the first person is gonna business and a successful career. It's about American. Almost missed our flight. It's all Verta's fault. I told him that we almost missed our flight because of damn Eritreans. We can't never make it on time. Habashas.
I do make it on time, but Haven wants to say that on her phone.
What type of what?
Haven?
No, Haven. هاخذ صيغة تعرى كم يوم تعدوا خانكي.
تعرى عندك.
كري؟ وين تعدوا خانكي تعرى؟
But where are we?
لندن فتحنا. عدي إنجليز أعطينا لنا.
عدي إنجليز. بدنا خندول
روتا قدمت نتخيل الله روتي
gonna take the
Tour
hop
bus. Hop on bus.
bus.
We're gonna go travel.
We're gonna see old buildings.
We're on a tour bus. And Zia ካብ Sweden ግን ቆሪ ሞይታ ይትበልላ ከመገ ቆሪልኪ أنا أمريكا ده. Anyways, we're on this tour bus. museum تعدوا.
museum tourist بليبه.
tourist كنا لنا لو معلتي. قبل لندن.
I'm eating some chips.
Yes, a lot of chips. وي ده حرا يوتيوب قال جبتي. جيم قبرة كابت بالعقل نام. Ruti, why do you look so mad, Ruti?
I'm cold.
You know, girl, you're from Sweden. You'll be alright. I'm not even complaining. And it's not. Like that. Look what Rota did to me, you guys. I look shukar again.
I like you with the beard.
What? هذا الشكر ودي مثيلك. الشكر؟ أصير؟ No. كيف دلو سبعي؟ Wait. Hi.
Hooray! Finally together.
We met. Yes.
Food time.
Yeah. Where's all the ladies at? Yeah. I have no Wi-Fi. There's no data.
Girl, say hey. Say hey. Say hey. Oh, the lights are off now. I'm so sorry. But we're going back to you. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Spice up your video. So spice up your life. Hey. Yes, perfect.
it's time to go. And I'm leaving to go to the airport. Stockholm. America.
She'll be back.
I will be back. Bye, Roti. Gonna miss you.